Good morning again, guys. I'm so bummed that we aren't in class together today to talk about pattern 2 because I know that y'all have been asking me for weeks about it. So here we go. The first thing I want you to do is to listen to the jingle over the direct object. Okay? It says a direct object is a noun or a pro, is a noun or a pro, is a noun or a pro. A direct object completes the meaning of the sentence. A direct object follows the verb transitive. To find a direct object, ask what or whom after the verb. All right, so here we go with pattern 2 and direct objects. Okay, a direct object is a noun or a pronoun. Number 2, a direct object receives the action of the verb and is someone or something different from the subject noun. A direct object completes the meaning of the sentence and is located in the predicate. Several of you have already been writing with these in your practice sentences. Now you can write with them. To find a direct object, ask what or whom after the verb. Ask what when the direct object is a place, thing, or idea. Ask whom when the direct object is a person. Number 4, a direct object is labeled with the abbreviation DO. All right, so when you have a direct object, you're going to label your verb differently as well. A transitive verb is an action verb that is followed by a direct object in a sentence. A transitive verb transfers the action from the subject to the direct object. So you cannot use a direct object with a helping, like a state of being verb. Am, is, are, was, were. It's only after an action verb. Okay? A transitive verb, number 6, is labeled capital V dash lowercase t and can be called verb transitive. A pattern 2 sentence is labeled SN V-T DO P2. A pattern 2 sentence has a subject noun, transitive verb, and a direct object at its core. A pattern 2 sentence has 2 noun jobs in its core, the subject noun job and the direct object job. Okay, so let's do a review for our patterns. Pattern 1 is subject noun verb. It has a noun verb at the core. Every one of those sentences that we've done in pattern 1 has to have a subject noun and a verb. Now with pattern 2, it's subject noun, verb transitive, direct object. It has a noun, verb, noun, which means there are going to be other nouns in your sentences now. Not just your subject noun, not just your object of the preposition, but now you have a direct object that's also going to be a noun. Okay? All right, so let's do a practice question and answer flow with pattern 2. Okay, Charles dropped his pencil on the floor. Who dropped his pencil on the floor? Charles, subject noun. What is being said about Charles? Charles dropped verb. Charles dropped what? Pencil. Verify the noun. Does pencil mean the same thing as Charles? No. Pencil, direct object. Dropped, verb transitive. Whose pencil? His, possessive pronoun adjective. On, preposition. On what? Floor, object of the preposition. The, article adjective. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern 2. Skill check. Verb transitive, check again. This means that you're going to make sure that you put that T beside the verb. On the floor, prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Then you're going to go back and cut your verb from your predicate from your subject. Okay. All right, here are your introductory or practice sentences. At this point, I want you to stop the video. I'm gonna stop. I'll do another video going back over classifying these sentences. So I want you to try this. These are going to have transitive verbs in them, and they're going to have direct objects. So I want you to try to classify these. Do your best, just like we do in class. Then I want you to come back and watch the next video. Correct anything that you need to. Okay, this is not for a grade. This is just practice like we do in class. I'll see you in a bit.